Touch Protector is an app whose main purpose is to disable touch on your touchscreen phone. For this example, I've disabled touch and also disabled screen lock for uninterrupted use of my recipe in the kitchen. I'll give more details as to why I use it this way in the kitchen, as well as more ways to use Touch Protector next. In the previous recipe example, a recipe can be kept on screen by simply setting the timeout to never. My situation is a little different because I have additional security configured on my phone for work purposes and the never option has been removed. If anything, I'd rather use Touch Protector to keep the screen on rather than the display timeout setting because it's a lot quicker to activate. One of my favorite uses of Touch Protector is to use it with YouTube to listen to music. I use the standard YouTube app with no paid subscription of any kind. All I do is start up any playlist I've created, double volume up to activate Touch Protector, then at that point I can put the phone in my pocket and go about whatever I'm doing. As you know, the problem with standard YouTube with no subscription are the ads. To work around this, when you hear the ads after a song, long press the headphones volume up to skip a song. Then long press the headphones volume down to reverse skip back to the song you started at. At this point, the music should continue, but if you get a second ad, repeat the previous steps. I'll do the rest of the demo on my tablet to make it easier for you to see all the categories at once. Within each category are the settings I use to fine-tune Touch Protector to the exact way I'd like it to work. I feel the settings are granular enough that anyone could find exactly what feels right for them. Under the hotkeys category are the settings that will disable Touch Protector. I'll go in here and make sure everything is turned off except volume down twice. When Touch Protector is protecting the screen, I can deactivate it by pressing the volume down key twice. The lock design is an image you see when Touch Protector is activated. I use a very obvious one by using the Cows in the Field image. There's also some less obvious images to choose from. Under the While Locked category, I'll go in here to turn on Prevent Auto Sleep and also turn off everything else. As you probably know, this prevents the screen from turning off when Touch Protector is activated. Under Status Bar, I'll confirm everything is set to no or off except for the Lock Screen Now under Quick Settings tiles. And finally, under Advanced, I'll turn on Enable Enhanced Features and also turn on Twice Volume Up Locking. The latter will activate Touch Protector whenever I press volume up twice. This is in addition to also setting twice volume down for deactivating Touch Protector, which was described a few examples ago. Besides my occasional on-demand need to keep the screen from sleeping, my almost daily use of YouTube to listen to music has made Touch Protector indispensable. With the constant ads being a necessary evil, my workaround for it keeps me sane, and the fact that I do find some of the ads interesting works out overall. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comments section down below. That's all I have for now, and I'll catch you in the next video.